If you've run into age-restricted content on X or the platform still thinks you're under 18, this video will show you the simple steps to fix that. We're going to update your date of birth if needed, then turn on the sensitive content settings so you can view content that X may have limited. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy social media guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open x.com or your Twitter app and log into the account that's having the restriction issue. Before you do anything else, make sure you're using the correct account because these settings must be changed on the profile that's actually affected. Now, the first thing you need to check is your date of birth. If your birthday is set to under 18, X may automatically limit certain content. To update it, go to your profile, open your account settings, and look for the section that lets you edit personal information or date of birth. If X gives you the option to change it directly, make sure the year reflects that you are 18 or older. Save the changes when you're done. If X doesn't allow you to edit the date of birth right away, it may ask you to verify or confirm your age through its account settings or help process. In that case, follow the prompts carefully and complete the verification steps if they appear. The goal here is to make sure your account is recognized as an adult account because that's often the main reason age-restricted content stays hidden. Once your date of birth is correct, the next step is to enable sensitive content in your privacy settings. Go back to your account settings and open the privacy and safety section. From there, look for the content you see or privacy controls related to sensitive media. Turn on the option that allows you to view sensitive content. This setting is important because even if your age is correct, X may still hide certain posts until this option is enabled. If you're using the app, the menu layout may look a little different from the browser, but the process is the same. Go to Settings, find Privacy and Safety, then look for Content Preferences or Sensitive Content Controls. Switch the setting on, then back out and refresh your feed. In many cases, that's enough to remove the restriction and let you view the content normally. If you still can't see the content after changing both settings, log out and log back in, or close the app completely and reopen it. Sometimes X needs a fresh session before it applies the updated account preferences. You can also check whether you're on the latest version of the app, because outdated versions can sometimes cause settings to display incorrectly. Remember, the key steps are very simple. Make sure your date of birth shows that you are 18 or older, and enable sensitive content in your privacy settings. Those two changes solve the issue for most users. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.